Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer language techniques with Khan Academy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Khan Academy website at www.khanacademy.org. Once there, create an account or log in if you already have one. Explore the language courses offered on the platform. Select the specific course that matches your area of interest, such as English, Spanish, or any other language. Familiarize yourself with the course layout and material provided. Take note of the various language techniques and skills presented in each lesson. Use the instructional videos to understand complex concepts in depth. Pause the videos and take notes to reinforce your understanding. After watching, engage with the practice exercises associated with each lesson. These exercises will help solidify your grasp of the language techniques. Make sure to review any feedback provided on your answers. Utilize the discussion forums or community features to ask questions about challenging topics. Participate in these discussions to enhance your learning experience. Set a regular study schedule to consistently practice your language skills. Track your progress using the dashboard feature available on your profile. Consider using the mobile app for learning on the go. Explore additional resources like articles and tips that can enhance your language learning journey. Apply the techniques you learned by practicing with native speakers or language partners. Record your progress and reflect on the skills you have acquired. Finally, revisit challenging techniques periodically to reinforce your learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.